Today I'm going to teach you how to find the written transcript for the YouTube videos in our Science or Biology 124 class, or any YouTube video that has a transcript created. If you remember, on our class, everything you need is located here in the Lessons tool. So we will start by clicking that. All of our course material are divided into modules within the Lessons tool. Let's go into Module 1 and look at the videos that are contained there. Once you have found the video that you need the transcript for, simply come to it, click on play, and then click on the YouTube button here. Clicking on the YouTube button brings you to the video on the YouTube site. Every video on YouTube has the ability to play it and do basic video things, but there are these 3-dot More buttons. This is what you want in order to find the transcript. Simply click on them and say Open Transcript. This provides you with a written transcript of every word said in the video that you can use to review the content.